With the new dbt Cloud and Starburst integration, data teams can more efficiently build, test, and document their data pipelines. Starburst has native connectors for Hive, Delta Lake, Iceberg, and Hudi, giving you direct and optimized access to your data lakes and allowing you to take advantage of the cost savings data lakes provide without sacrificing performance. Starburst has connectivity to over 40 different sources, helping you simplify your data pipelines by transforming your data where it lives. As a result, Starburst expands the reach of your data pipelines. Data engineers can now combine data from multiple sources, no matter where they're deployed, through a single connection in dbt. Starburst also provides you with optionality as your data ecosystem evolves. By separating compute from storage, you can avoid vendor lock-in while also reducing your warehouse costs. So, if you add a new storage location and make your architecture even more complex, you don't have to worry. The Starburst adapter for dbt is now available for dbt Cloud as well as dbt Core and supports Starburst Galaxy, Starburst Enterprise, and Trino clusters. With just a few clicks, you'll be able to combine and transform all of your data through one single dbt repository. Many users see that Starburst allows you to federate multiple data sources so that you can incorporate data outside of a single dbt repository. Others utilize Starburst and dbt together to build out an open data lake architecture, which is what we want to showcase in this demo. In this scenario, Starburst is acting as the data lake analytics platform that is combining data from multiple sources within the data lake and then transforming that data to make it easier to consume for analytics, reporting, and any other business need. By using Starburst with dbt, your data engineers can transform data directly in the data lake, and your data consumers can access data anywhere in the pipeline. Combining this with support for open table formats like Iceberg, Delta Lake, and Hudi, and you've built out an open data lake architecture that will evolve with you. Now let's take a look at building out that open data lake architecture. Here we have our data lake represented by an S3 bucket. As our business expands, new customer data is frequently landed here as JSON files. We have created Hive tables from these files through Starburst so that we can run analytics on these JSON files. In dbt, we are connected to these Hive tables through Starburst. We have created models that will convert the Hive tables to Iceberg tables to support updates and merges, and we have created models that will update the rollup tables that are being used for downstream analytics. When new data is landed into our data lake, we run our dbt models to update the Iceberg tables with new records. Through the connection to our Starburst Galaxy cluster, we then run tests to ensure that the new data is clean before running our analytics on the updated data. With dbt Cloud's scheduling capabilities, we can automate this pipeline so that our analytics teams are always working with the most current data. Through the combined power of dbt and Starburst, we are able to build out an open data lake architecture to provide our analytics users direct insights as fast as possible.